All right. Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, April 8th. This is your English 9 class. I miss getting to joke around with you guys, so I decided I am going to tell you guys one corny joke every single day for every single day that I remember to. So, here's the joke of the day today. Why can't you trust trees? Anybody? Got an idea? Because they're too shady! Hey, sorry about that, but you're gonna have to put up with me. Alright, today, our learning target is pretty straightforward. I can write using a claim, evidence, and reasoning. Now, you may be wondering what those terms mean. If you guys have a good note-taking system, this is something you are definitely going to want to write down. If you don't have a good note-taking system, you may want to figure one out. I strongly suggest using the spreadsheet that I gave you last quarter and just keep it on going with that. So, a claim, in simplest terms, is your answer to the question. It is what you think. Evidence is what you read, saw, or know that helped you figure out your claim. And reasoning is an explanation of how the evidence supports the claim. On Monday, I asked you guys to answer a question, sort of a kind of argument writing. You guys may remember that. It was called argument writing practice. Most of you guys got that done. But as a class, we have some room for improvement. So to help you guys, I am going to take one of the prompts from last time. I'm going to take this one right here. Should students be required to volunteer outside of school as part of their work in high school? So that is the prompt, and I need to make a claim based on that prompt. Now, the claim, remember, is my answer to the question. It's pretty much a simple yes or no, but I'm probably going to want to flesh that out into a few more words. So, if I'm going to flesh this out a little bit, I might want to use these sentence stems that I'm giving you. This is one example of a way you could write. Should students be required to volunteer outside of school as part of their work in high school? So I might want to write something like, my claim is, students should be required to volunteer outside of school as part of their work in high school. Then, I need to come up with some evidence. You guys will remember, evidence is what you read, saw, or know that helps you figure out your claim. So I'm going to think of something that I know from my life, and from talking to people, and from helping high schoolers, and that is that it is hard to get a job if you don't have work experience. However, if you do not have work experience, one thing you can do is volunteer, and then that's something you can put on a resume. So I need to figure out how to write that down as evidence. So I could say something like, volunteering can give high school students something to put on a resume. Now, I need to explain that with reasoning, right? I have to explain how the evidence connects to the claim. That can sometimes take the form of an if-then statement. I could write something like, this evidence supports my claim because if students are required to volunteer, then they will be more likely to get jobs. Now, is this the best writing in the world? No, but it shows that you guys can accomplish the learning target. I can write using a claim, evidence, and reasoning. So if you guys respond with something like that, I will be very happy. So here's what you guys are going to do today. In Schoology, you are going to find an assignment called Argument Writing Practice 2 plus Feedback. It is in your Wednesday, April 8th folder. You guys are going to respond to one of these prompts. You are going to write a 3-sentence claim evidence reasoning, or CER, paragraph, and you are going to submit it to a discussion. After you make your submission, respond to one classmate's post saying something they did good. If you can't find something good, give them some room for improvement. Cite something specific that they said. All right? Those are your instructions for today. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll get the hang of this online learning thing. It's going to take a little while to get in the groove, but I appreciate those of you who are putting in your effort. Catch you later.